Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your left Alt key and the Windows key are swapped. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to open up on-screen keyboard. Okay, just go to your search bar and type down on-screen like so, and you'll find on-screen keyboard. Click on it. Now, once you have this pop up, press Alt on your keyboard. If it shows the correct item, well, your keyboard is all right. Also try Windows key, hold it. It's working. Well, it's all right as well. Let's say you have installed a software that requires keyboard binding. Okay, you might want to look it up and make sure that you didn't mess up Alt and Windows key. If you have checked everything, it works perfectly fine in here. And when you press Alt and Windows, it's still swapped. Okay, so what you can do is just go ahead and press function right here and A simultaneously. Hold it for about 3 seconds. Okay, or Fn plus S. Okay, hold Fn and then S or A. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.